bike. Pretty straight. There's nothing really wrong with her at all. I mean, other than I'll point out the little scratches I was referring to, and the old man dropped it when I got it. Um, the mirrors are original, so that's why there's scratches on the mirrors. Let's see. It's kind of a little bit right here, on the top right here as well. Original handlebars, but the throttle and grips are all original from the original bike. Let's see. There's like some small scratches you can barely see on the guard right there. A little bit of chrome is chipping off the front fork right there. It's kind of what you get with a 20-year-old bike. So, and then there's this rubbing right here is from the original pipes. So the original pipes mounters are still right here. So from what I understand, the old man said one of these screws came out and the pipe was rubbing against it. So that's why that's there. And then there's one little scratch right here. You can barely see it right there. So what happened was one of these lights got loose as I was riding the bike, and there's a little bit of chrome polish on there. It came loose and was just knocking against this. It's a little bit. There it is. It's a little bit, I thought it was bigger. Yeah, there it is. So that's it. As far as cosmetics goes, bike is straight. Might be a little bit dusty right now because I don't have a bike cover for it. It's been sitting in my garage, so it'll be clean if you wanna pick it up. I'll wash it for you and everything. But there's the original miles, and then I'll fire it up for you right now. So let's see. I'll back up. It's a little loud, but it's definitely loud. The reason I got those pipes is because I was in California and I was splitting lanes, so I had to have something for the guys, the cars know I was coming. I'll rev it up a little bit, you can give it a good ear. There you go, man. I don't really want to let it go, but I don't have a need for it anymore. So, my loss is someone's gain. If you're interested in coming checking it out, let me know. Like I said, I don't allow test rides unless you got half the cash up front in my hand before you go anywhere. So yeah, any questions or anything, give me a call or give me a text or whatever. Like I said, I have the original handlebars, the original pipes, the original lights, the sissy bar. It's here. It's just not on it right now. And the original cable. So if you want to take this thing back to where it was, I have all that. The manual comes with it. The service manual comes with it. The windshield comes with it. Everything that's in the pictures comes with it. So if you're interested, let me know. Thanks for being interested anyways.